So it isn't an exciting time here for mushrooming, I'll give you that. Early March, it's just, I think the 6th of March now. I'm not finding a great deal of anything at all in the woods around my way. I was hoping I might find the first morels of the year a bit further up in the woods, but I haven't. What I have got is these wood ears, that's what we call them these days. They used to have the gloriously politically incorrect name of Jews ear, which has probably got a couple of different derivations. One being that you must often find this growing on elder trees, which is often called a Jew tree in English folklore because of the belief that Judas Iscariot hung himself from it. Another reason might be that very often mushrooms in medieval texts are referred to as Jews' meat because they were free, and of course there was a awful belief that Jews were mean. None of this is true, of course. Very old-fashioned, outdated, because now why don't we be called wood ears? Because they're on wood and they're shaped a bit like ears. What can you do with them? Well, they're nearly the same as those Chinese wood ears you buy dried. It's basically the same thing. So they dry very quickly and very easily. You can slice them up, put them into a soup. I'll be putting these into some miso soup for dinner. They've got a lovely crunchy texture, mild mushroomy taste. You find them on deadwood. This is I think it's a dead chestnut tree. You find them on deadwood, you find them on live elder trees. They're very common, they're quite tasty, and you know what, you sometimes find them when you find nothing else, so they're worth knowing.